Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I got my Die Hard Clubs set in the mail yesterday or the day before yesterday, and so just here to share it with you quickly. It is from the Stamps of Life, and the Die Hard Club set is called Bird2stamp this month, and as usual it does give you a inspiration card, and the Die Hard Club comes with dies and stamps. And I also got this, I think this was a free goodie maybe for this month. It does say hello friend. Sorry for the glare. I guess that way is better to see it. But it does say hello friend. And so, look at how cute. So it does come with the dies. Also includes the shadow because, you know, Stephanie, she's just so smart and giving. She likes us to work with all the necessary tools that we need to be the best crafters we can be. And then here's the stamps that come with. It says, "You are so tweet. Happy birthday. You are a rare bird. You're my favorite old bird. And hello." How cute. So, this is the Die Hard Club from the Stamps of Life. It's a monthly subscription. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. For more crafty videos, like and subscribe. And until the next one, shakas!